Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. European politicians are proposing a crackdown on unhosted wallets that could cause huge problems for crypto investors. The measures mean exchanges would have the impossible task of verifying who owns an unhosted wallet whenever a transaction takes place. Patrick Hansen, Unstoppable DeFi's head of strategy, fears major platforms would stop their users from transacting with unhosted wallets in order to stay compliant. Another provision would mean that an exchange would have to inform the authorities every time one of their users receives more than 1,000 euros from an unhosted wallet, even if there is no evidence to suggest that money laundering is taking place. According to Hansen, this amounts to an absolute violation of privacy rights. The Economic and Monetary Affairs Committee is set to vote on these provisions on Thursday. El Salvador has sought to position itself as a paradise for crypto investors after becoming the first country in the world to make Bitcoin legal tender. But over the weekend, the Central American nation declared a state of emergency after a spike in killings on the streets. At least 62 murders were reported on Saturday alone, many of them gang-related, on the most violent days seen in El Salvador for 30 years. The new emergency measures will be in place for 30 days, meaning communications may be monitored, and some public gatherings will be restricted. It's unclear whether this will result in further delays to the planned launch of Nayib Bukel's Bitcoin-backed volcano bonds. Ukraine has launched a virtual museum of non-fungible tokens that document Russia's invasion. Metahistory Museum of War features NFTs that document the conflict day by day. Tweets from news sources, politicians and government departments are accompanied by pieces of artwork. All of the funds raised through the sale of these NFTs will go to Ukraine's army and civilians, and it's hoped the collection will also preserve the memory of real events. Going forward, Metahistory says that NFTs will be created in chronological order, with artists from Ukraine and around the world making contributions from its full outbreak to the moment of Ukrainian victory celebration. Initially, NFTs documenting the first 3 days of the invasion are going to be sold on March 30th for 0.15 ETH each. Buy or sell Bitcoin if it hits a certain price in the future. The transaction takes place immediately. We're off to a really good start. The screens are lit. We've had some really good trades, Shaw said. And just to unpack that a little bit, the micro Bitcoin futures contract we launched in May of last year, and already we've done close to 5 million contracts. The group's initial Bitcoin futures contract has experienced significant growth as well. In the few years, just over 4 years since we launched our initial futures contract, the standard Bitcoin future with 5-time multiplier, we've seen that grow from doing 1,000 contracts a day to now 10,000 a day, she said. That growth is mind-boggling. Outside of CME, he has been known to tap into resources where other projects do not. The woolly mammoths have been extinct for close to a millennium, and are said to be the last of the mammoth line, before they were wiped out. And Secone impotent news today about Cardano doubled the reward for hackers to uncover vulnerabilities in its blockchain. The public blockchain platform Cardano declares that it has doubled the payout for white hat hackers and bounty hunters that can identify vulnerabilities or bugs in its smart contracts blockchain. The firm has revealed that this 6-week promotion, which will close on March 25th, aims to keep its businesses and customers safe. Cardano started 6-week promotion recently and doubled the reward for bounty hunters and hackers to find vulnerabilities in the Cardano ecosystem. $20,000 is the highest amount platform has offered to hackers for discovering critical bugs in the network, starting from February 14. Similarly, hackers identifying the minor bugs in the Cardano nodes will receive a low amount of $800. On the other side, bounty hunters discovering critical vulnerabilities in the Cardano wallet will get a payout of $15,000, while $600 reward for those who uncover less critical vulnerabilities in the wallet. In August 2021, the foundation partnered with the white hat hackers platform, HackerOne, a vulnerabilities management firm that uses hackers to find flaws and vulnerabilities to secure the financial ecosystems from attacks. Previously, the firm offered $10,000 to find critical vulnerabilities in its network, while $7,500 for identifying critical weak points in Cardano wallet. To boost the security check of its network, the Cardano Foundation has now doubled the bounty reward for hackers to uncover vulnerabilities in its blockchain. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concepts. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the Technews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.